How can a person be okay with not knowing?
Two things: trusting the unknown and being humble. You cannot be humble if you do not trust. And you cannot trust if you do not have control. And you know you cannot control the cosmos. It's impossible. Doesn't matter how big a king you become. You just cannot control it all. It's always beyond your reach. You cannot control the outcomes of everything. You cannot free people from suffering. You cannot control a crow from snatching sparrows' babies. So you will always lose control. So what can you trust? When you don't trust, you become depressed. The sense of losing control makes you depressed. That's the wrong way of looking at life. So trust the unknown first. Trust God. Trust His kindness. Trust the plan. Even for that sparrow. Even for that baby sparrow. And even for the crow. Give everything to God. He has power over everything. You cannot even control your bowels. Realize that. If you cannot control your bowels, why are you placing your trust in yourself? First, learn to trust the unknown. Have a trusting heart. Don't trust people. Don't trust weather. Don't trust the solar system. You may even not trust your teachers, but always trust God. And in your heart, say to Him that, "Oh Lord, everything belongs to you. Nothing belongs to me. And then be humble to that power, always. Then you will not be afraid of not knowing, because your friend is the one who knows everything. So that friend of yours will guide you through life whenever you need to know something. He will teach you. He will make sure that you are blessed, and He will make sure that you are successful against infinite odds. If He has to, He will perform miracles for you. For God never abandons His friends. He is the only true friend.